Welcome back, and you are watching English grammar video of preposition. The difference between the two preposition on and onto. So let's check it out. So here we have two preposition on and onto. And I have also given the example. Let's read the example. The pizza is on the table. So in this example, the word on is a preposition. And in the example B, he puts a pizza onto the table. So onto is preposition. So the question is, what is the difference between these two prepositions? So when you use the preposition on, it means the subject of the sentence, which is pizza, is already on the object. The object is table. So when we use the preposition on, we mention that the subject or the things which we are talking about is already on the another object and it is not in the motion. As you can see that the pizza is already on the table. It is not moving toward the table. So we use preposition on when an object is already on the other object and it is not in the motion. So when the things are already on the other surface and they are not moving, in that case we use preposition on. On the other hand, we have preposition onto. So here he is the subject of the sentence and this subject does an action. What does he do? He puts pizza on the table, which means the pizza is in the motion. The pizza is in the hands of the subject he and it is in the motion, and the subject is putting this pizza on another surface, on another table, which means when an object is in the motion, and it is moving toward to another object. In that case, we use preposition onto. Let's say, so we have two objects, the book and a pen. So I am putting this pen onto the book. So where is the pen? Now you can say that the pen is on the book because this pen is already on the book and it is not in the motion, right? Now if I put this pen on this book, during that time I can say I put this pen onto the book. Onto means the object is moving onto another object. So the word onto shows motion. So the thing is clear. When an object is already on another surface and it is not moving, in that case we use preposition on. And if the object is moving and it is going on another object, onto the another object, going onto the another surface, in that case that object is moving and we use preposition onto. So I hope you will have gained some extra knowledge from this video, and thank you.